Deep within the annals of time lies the tale of a lost civilization. This is Lemuria, an ancient land swallowed by the sea. The Lemurians lived in harmony with nature. Their legacy is woven into the fabric of our planet. Join me now as we journey back in time, seeking clues to unlock the mysteries of Lemuria. Imagine a place where verdant forests stretched as far as the eye could see. Towering waterfalls cascaded down mist-shrouded mountains, their waters teeming with life. This was Lemuria, a paradise where nature reigned supreme. The air vibrated with the songs of exotic birds, their plumage a riot of color against the lush green canopy. Strange and wonderful creatures roamed freely, their existence a testament to the harmony that existed between all living things. But the true wonder of Lemuria lay in its crystal structures. These were not mere stones, but living conduits of energy, pulsating with the life force of the planet. Towering crystal temples soared towards the heavens, catching the sunlight and scattering rainbows across the land. These structures served as centers of learning, healing, and spiritual practice, their energy amplifying the Lemurians' connection to the cosmos. At the heart of Lemurian civilization lay a deep reverence for all life. The Lemurians saw themselves not as separate from nature, but as an integral part of its intricate web. They lived in harmony with the rhythms of the earth, their lives guided by the cycles of the sun, moon, and stars. They believed in the interconnectedness of all things, understanding that every action, no matter how small, created ripples that were felt throughout the universe. This profound connection to nature fostered a deep sense of peace and harmony within Lemurian society. They had no need for war or conflict, for they understood that true strength lay in unity and cooperation. They lived in small, self-sufficient communities, sharing their resources and knowledge freely. Their lives were a testament to the power of living in balance with the natural world. The Lemurians possessed an intimate understanding of crystals and their ability to channel and amplify energy. They believed that crystals were not inanimate objects, but living beings with consciousness and a unique vibration. They used crystals in all aspects of their lives, from healing to communication to spiritual exploration. Large crystals were strategically placed throughout their cities and temples, their energy fields creating a harmonious and balanced environment. Lemurian healers were renowned for their ability to use crystals to diagnose and treat ailments. They understood that each crystal vibrated at a specific frequency and could be used to restore balance to the body's energy centers. They also used crystals to enhance their psychic abilities, facilitating communication across vast distances and even interdimensional travel. The Lemurians' knowledge of crystals was far ahead of their time, a testament to their deep connection to the earth and its hidden wonders. Section 5. Echoes of Lemurian Wisdom. Knowledge was sacred to the Lemurians, passed down through generations using unique and powerful methods. They eschewed the written word, believing that true wisdom could only be conveyed through the heart and soul. Instead, they relied on a form of energetic storytelling, weaving tales of their history, beliefs, and spiritual insights into vibrant tapestries of sound, light, and emotion. These stories were not merely entertainment, but powerful tools for transmitting knowledge and activating dormant potential. within the listener. The Lemurians believed that sound and vibration held the key to unlocking hidden memories and activating the soul's innate wisdom. Their stories were carefully crafted to resonate with the listener's energy field, planting seeds of knowledge that would blossom in time. Section 6. The Tides of Change. The legend of Lemuria is often tinged with sadness, for it is a story of a paradise lost. Over time, the earth began to shift, and the once stable landmass of Lemuria started to sink beneath the waves. Whether this cataclysm was a natural disaster or the result of some unforeseen cosmic event, the Lemurians knew that their time in their physical homeland was coming to an end. But the Lemurians did not despair. They understood that change is a natural part of life's cycle, and they faced their fate with courage and grace. They began to migrate to different parts of the world, carrying their wisdom and teachings with them. They settled in lands that would later become known as Atlantis, Egypt, India, and the Americas, sowing the seeds for future civilizations. Section 7. Seeds of Wisdom Scattered. As the Lemurians spread across the globe, they shared their knowledge with the indigenous peoples they encountered. They taught them about the interconnectedness of all life, the power of crystals, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. The Lemurians' influence can be seen in the spiritual beliefs and practices of many ancient cultures, from the pyramids of Egypt to the medicine wheels of Native Americans. Some believe that the Lemurians left behind hidden temples and energy vortexes in various parts of the world, places where their ancient wisdom still resonates. These sites are said to possess a unique energy that can awaken dormant potential and accelerate spiritual growth. Whether or not these places truly hold the key to unlocking the secrets of Lemuria remains a mystery, but they continue to draw seekers from all walks of life, all searching for a deeper connection to something greater than themselves. Section 8. The Enduring Legacy of Lemuria. Though the physical land of Lemuria may be lost to the sea, its legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of those who seek to rediscover its wisdom. The Lemurians' teachings offer a blueprint for a more harmonious and sustainable way of life, one that is in alignment with the rhythms of nature and the interconnectedness of all beings. In a world facing unprecedented challenges, the Lemurian message of unity, compassion, and respect for the earth is more relevant than ever. By tapping into the ancient wisdom of Lemuria, we can begin to heal ourselves, our communities, and our planet. We can rediscover the power of living in harmony with nature, embracing the interconnectedness of all things, and recognizing the divine spark that resides within each of us. Section 9. Rediscovering our connection. The story of Lemuria is not just a tale of a lost civilization. It is a reflection of our own forgotten past. Deep within our collective memory lies a time when we lived in harmony with the earth, our lives guided by intuition and a deep connection to the natural world. The legend of Lemuria reminds us that this way of life is not lost to us, but merely forgotten. By embracing the wisdom of Lemuria, we can begin to heal the separation between ourselves and the natural world. We can reawaken our innate connection to the earth, rediscovering the power and beauty that lies within each of us. The journey to Lemuria is not a physical one, but a journey inward, a quest to rediscover the lost paradise within our own hearts.